In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export as MP4 in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to check, what the common settings mean, and how to confirm your export is complete. Once you're happy with your edit, go to the Export option in Shotcut. This opens the export panel where all the output settings live. The first thing to look at is the format. Make sure it's set to MP4. In most cases, you won't need to change anything here because Shotcut typically defaults to MP4 when you're working with standard video projects. That's great for general sharing, uploading, and playback on most devices. Next, take a quick look at the codec. This is the method used to compress and encode your video. If you're unsure, the default is a safe choice and works well for most projects. For rate control, which manages how the bitrate is allocated across your video, you can also stick with the default unless you have a specific reason to adjust it. Defaults are chosen to balance quality and file size, so they're reliable for everyday use. You'll also see a quality setting. By default, this is set around 55%. That's a balanced level that keeps your file size reasonable while maintaining solid visual clarity. If you've noticed your previews look good and playback is smooth, leaving it at the default is a smart move. Remember, higher quality increases file size, and lower quality can reduce clarity, so the default is a practical middle ground. Before exporting, glance at your resolution and audio options to make sure they match what you want. If you edited in a certain resolution like 1080p, those settings usually carry over automatically. The same goes for audio. Defaults generally produce clear sound without extra tweaking. When everything looks good, click Export Video/Audio. You'll be prompted to choose a folder and a file name. Pick a location you can find easily, then click Save to start the export. While it renders, watch the progress in the top right corner of Shotcut. You'll see a job appear with a status bar showing how far along it is. You'll know the export is finished when you see a green check mark to the left of that job. At that point, your MP4 file is ready in the folder you selected and you can open it to review or share. That's all you need to export as MP4 in Shotcut. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.